how to remove multiple Gmail accounts from Android. In this video, I'll show you how to remove multiple Gmail accounts from your Android phone. Removing an account signs you out of Gmail and other Google services on that device, but it doesn't delete the account itself. Start by opening the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Passwords and Accounts, Accounts, or Users and Accounts, depending on your device. Select the first Gmail account you want to remove. Then tap Remove Account or Delete Account and confirm your choice. Repeat the same steps for each additional Gmail account you want to remove from your device. Once you've removed the accounts, they will no longer appear in the Gmail app or other Google apps on your Android phone. You can always add them back later by signing in again. That's it. You've successfully removed multiple Gmail accounts from your Android phone. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.